Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little different. I'm just doing a small grocery haul and a little refrigerator cleanup. So I'm only doing the side where I'm gonna pack out my groceries. So I'm just taking out the stuff now and I'm gonna wipe out the fridge, the refrigerator, and put the stuff in. I'm not doing the other side because it's clean already. When I'm doing a deep clean, then I'm gonna take out everything and do the whole fridge. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And to my recent subscribers, I thank you guys so much for joining the team. And let's get to 1,000 subscribers. So tell a neighbor, tell a friend, tell a family member about my channel. I can't wait to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can do some giveaways and stuff like that. I will really appreciate it, guys. So now I'm just gonna wipe out the refrigerator real quick. And then unpack the groceries. Okay, so I'm finished wiping it down now. So I'm just gonna take these out of the bag so you guys can see what I bought. Okay guys, so here I have some brown rice, some lentil, some Alaskan pink salmon, some mangoes, bananas, cassava or yuca, tomatoes, strawberries, cheddar cheese, some mini sweet peppers, milk, some more mangoes, sweet peppers, some saltfish, ketchup, onions, thyme, some bagels and snacks for the kids, some Goya Malta, frozen french fries, apples, potatoes, and some mini pancakes. So now I'm just gonna put them in the refrigerator. So now I'm gonna clean out the drawers from the refrigerator. And I just wipe these out with soap and water on a piece of cloth, and then I just wipe it over with the paper towel. So there it is, guys, all clean and packed away. And until my next video, guys, God bless and be safe. Love you guys. Bye.